fish. First one on the Nates. That was sick. Oh, a little line through eater. Sweet. That was not the one we were looking for, but hey, I'll take it on the big bait. That was my first fish on the Line-thru. I've been messing around with the rigging a lot, trying to figure out the best way to rig it to get it to swim stable. A lot of times it wants to roll, but there's this guy, Ball of 74. He's on Instagram and Swimbait Universe, and he has some videos up on how he rigs it Line-thru. And you want this bait to like not float but very slowly sink, and so you can keep it up out of the weeds and have it natural, but you also want it to be balanced. And so the way that he rigs it, I tried it out, and this has been the best rigging I've found so far, and obviously it worked out and got me a bite, so I think I'll stick with this for now. The Line-thru with the treble hook on bottom isn't necessarily ideal in every situation, especially if there's a ton of grass, but a lot of times even in the grass you're wanting to swim these baits up above, so I think it's fine for the most part. Just got to make sure I'm mindful of my retrieve speed and making sure I'm keeping it above that grass. But I think those fish are definitely looking up as opposed to looking up as opposed to looking down. I swear, I always come out, throw these big baits, and every bite I get, I'm like expecting it to be the giant, you know? The one that everyone's looking for that you throw these big baits for. And so many times I just catch these small, skinny ass fish. I'm just like, what the hell, man? I've been lied to. I'm supposed to catch biggins. But no, it just goes to show that these fish, they don't have to be huge to eat a big bait. And you don't need to be scared of them, scared to throw them. I'm learning that slowly. When I first got into it, it's like a 6 or 7 inch bait seemed massive. And now it's like a 9 or 10 inch bait doesn't even seem that big. And if you've seen a bass eat something like that, you would know it's really not that extraordinary for them to fit something like that in their mouth. Like, you guys catch like 1 and 2 pound bass on 12, 14, 16 inch worms. It's kind of the same thing. That line-thru is sick though, because the bait just slides up the line and you got your hook swinging free. Those fish have no leverage to throw your bait. Because with those beast hooks or those top hook baits, or even like glides and stuff, you got all that weight plus the fish on that single hook or treble hook, and it's just a lot of leverage for them to throw those baits. But the line-thru, you don't have that. You just have the hook in the fish's mouth, and that's it. So you can just freely fight them